Well, here we are, an overnighter at Pollard. I'm on the road bank, which is some consider a little bit of lazy fishing, but I don't really, because it's quite a productive area. Having said that, today there's anglers all around and lines everywhere, so I don't really know if it's very likely really, but that's the nature of this place. We'll just wait and see. Well, here we are, my first ever night on the new water in Kent. I just recently joined this lake, and it's a lake that's been around for years, and it's probably got a few original fish in it, and it was restocked, you know, sort of 2005, 2007, things like that, and it's really a little bit of an up and coming place really. We're already, the fish that were stocked in here have sort of reaching over 40 pounds, 3 of which are commons, which is, you know, really nice, as I've never ever caught a UK 40 pound plus common. Well, I've been a little bit lazy. I arrived here just before dark and sort of parked, you know, the back of the swim, which is probably a little bit lazy, but it's quite sort of handy if you've got to pack up in the morning and go to work. There's a factory on the far bank which you can constantly hear, and you know, I mean, the noise is, you know, constant, like sort of 24/7, 265 days of a year really. But you know, but the lights the factory throws out is you know, gives us sort of markers to cast to. I had a little plumb around in the swim, and it's around about 12 foot deep, I would think. I mean, I haven't put a marker rod on. I've just sort of felt the lead down, felt it donk the bottom, and guesstimated it was around about 12 foot deep. But on the right hand rod, I found a little bit of a gravel bar. Well, I think it's a gravel bar, so I've got a bait on the edge of that, a bottom bait on the edge of that. On the middle rod, I've got a zig rig, which is always a good bet this time of year. A little bit of black foam, fished 7 foot off the bottom in 12 foot of water. I mean, the fish bend, you know, despite the fact you don't see them very often, the fish spend quite a bit of time off of the bottom this time of year. On the left hand rod, I found like quite a smooth area. It seemed to be a little bit shallower, probably about 10 foot deep. So I got a bottom bait on that. And well, that's about it really, you know. So first night, just arrived before dark, a little bit hopeful, looking forward to the morning and seeing a bit more of the lake. Looking forward to spring when we're going to be seeing them jumping about. See you in the morning. Okay, I'm over at New Lake again. Quick sort of Wednesday overnighter. The weather forecast is completely opposite to what it was saying. I think this wind is actually easterly. One of the guys round the bank caught a 30 pounder earlier, and I've seen fish show in this area, so a little bit hopeful of an occurrence maybe. Strangely enough, I did have an occurrence, I think, you know, on my first cast. But I think, to be honest with you, it was a pike that swam into the line. But we'll see.
Jacko. 33 pounder. Oh.